Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. An iCubic Cobra Max 3D printer. The size increased again, reaching to 400 x 450 mm, creating a world for imagination to run wild. An iCubic horizon leveling can automatically compensate the hotbed unevenness. Leveling and printing can be completed with one button, simple operation and great user experience. Double thread Z-axis moving parts to reduce printing wobbles. The printer is equipped with a responsive 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen which has a full-color display, making navigation easier. The maximum printing speed is 180 mm per second, average speed is 80 mm per second, 167% faster than competitive products. Faster speed enables you to enjoy more joy of 3D printing. Modular design allows the printer to be assembled only in 10 minutes, which is very easy to use. The print bed locks parts down during printing when hot, and after cooling parts can be took off easily. It can be used repeatedly without loss of performance. Filament runout detection. Equipped with a filament runout sensor, it can monitor the supply of filament intelligently. If your printer runs out of filament, it will automatically stop without losing your printing progress. An iCubic provides various kinds and colors of filaments, which has even and smooth output, giving you more choices for your creativity. Number 2. An iCubic Cobra 2 Pro 3D printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. Achieve remote networking, firmware upgrade, and real-time viewing of the printer's status. LT will also support online slicing and printing, video monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote control and management. This will bring the smart experience to your fingertips. For more detailed guidance, please find the product guides and documents on the listing page, and then click on User Guide, PDF. By utilizing an optimized direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system, it can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. One-click vibration compensation. By detecting the resonance frequency of the X/Y axis with an internally built accelerometer G sensor, smart adjustments are made to motion control, effectively eliminating resonance vertical lines and bracket lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, which results in 10x faster printing. Number 3. Creality Ender 3v3 SAE 3D printer. Ender 3v3 SAE features a max printing speed of 250 mm per second and 2500 mm/s² acceleration, which can print faster while keeping the print quality. Leveling is the basis of print quality. Ender 3v3 SAE features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. The Sprite direct extruder of Ender 3v3 SAE works well with PLA, PETC, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. The rigid dual Z-axis reduces Z-wobbling. The Y-axis used a pair of 8 mm thick linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, able to carry the build platform steadily for a lasting time. Together, they will take good care of each print. Made of strong and wear-proof steel, the linear shafts ensure a lasting, steady motion of the Y-axis. Tap extrude, and the filament will flow out of the nozzle smoothly. Tap retract, and the filament will exit quickly. So, it is effortless to replace the filament. Number 4. Kingroon KP3S Pro 3D Printer. Kingroon KP3S Pro is a cantilever-style 3D printer with linear guide rails on both X and Z axis to enhance printer head stability and accuracy for increased printing quality. Based on a Titan direct drive extruder with a 3:1 gear ratio, Kingroon KP3S Pro is able to print various 3D printing materials, including commonly used PLA, flexible materials like TPU and PETC. Compared with KP3S, KP3S Pro has an increased print volume of 200 x 200 mm, which further expands the printer's capability for your daily 3D printing tasks. With TMC 2225 stepper drivers, all motors on KP3S Pro operate quietly. A quiet printing is certainly a plus for not disturbing your family. With a built-in switching power supply, KP3S Pro operates much safer and offers more convenience to be placed when compared with 3D printers having independent switching power supplies. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra Neo 2 3D Printer. Anycubic Cobra Neo is a 90% pre-installed 3D printer, which make it possible to set up within 10 minutes. More suitable for beginners than other DIY 3D printers. The direct drive extruder can restore the form of the model to the greatest extent. Moreover, Anycubic Cobra Neo is easy to replace filaments and has a lower failure rate. Double-sided magnetic paste spring steel platform is more durable and lasts longer, saving a lot of maintenance costs. You can remove the model easily. Only take 5 minutes to level the bed. Simple operation helps you from the tedious manual leveling greatly. Compared to Anycubic Mega S, the printing volume of Anycubic Cobra Neo has increased by 34.4% to reach 12.1 liters. The printing dimension is 250 x 220 by 220 millimeters, equivalent to the size of a standard size 5 soccer ball. Anycubic Cobra Neo 3D prints at a typical speed of 60 mm per second and reaches 100 mm per second at its highest, which will save much time. 2 smart sensors. The standard power outage resuming sensor and the optional filament run-out sensor reduces filament waste and save time by avoiding the printing failure caused by the power outage and lack of filament. Anycubic FDM 3D printers come with 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. If you have any question during using, please contact our after-sales team. We will fast respond within 24 hours.